Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if the Zepp application failed to synchronize data from your Helio Ring. If you open device page and you can see the data sync failure message, or your ring simply cannot synchronize with your smartphone, then first of all try turning off Bluetooth by swiping down the control center, or you can also turn on the airplane mode for about 5 to 10 seconds, then turn it off again, turn on Bluetooth, let your devices reconnect, and then check the connection. Also try closing the application and opening it again and letting your devices reconnect. If this doesn't help you, try simply restarting your device, usually by pressing power button and volume down or up key for a couple of seconds and selecting restart. Then wait until your smartphone reboots. If the problem persists, then try checking if your ring is charged enough. So place it on the charging dock and see if your ring has enough battery power. Go to your Zepp application and check for software updates for your ring. So let's go to device section and try checking for system update and see if you are using the latest version of software on your ring. Also check the Play Store or the App Store depending on which device you're using. Check for the Zepp application here and check if it's also updated. So check if you don't see any update icon on the page of the application in the Play Store. And if everything seems well but your device still isn't synchronizing, then simply select Unpair at the bottom of the device page. Unpair your devices. And then try pairing them both again. So place your ring on the charging dock, tap next, let your smartphone find your ring. And in case your application is struggling to find the ring, try doing the following. Remove the ring from your charging dock, then remove the charging cable from the dock, then plug it back in, wait for about 5 seconds, and then place the ring back on the charging dock, and then retry scanning for your device. And once the device is found, select pair. Let your device pair to each other with each other. Tap next. Let's skip. And right now there should be no synchronization issues with your ring. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.